Welcome to the installation video for the Elite Rotating Ironing Board. Before we begin, you'll need the following tools: a power drill with a number 2 Phillips bit and either a 5/16 or 3/32 inch bit, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, tape measure, and a pencil. In your box, you'll find the following parts: an Elite ironing board with cover, 8 wood screws, 4 machine screws, and 4 washers. This unit can be installed with either the wood screws or the machine screws with washers. We will demonstrate both applications. Let's begin our installation using the 8 wood screws. Find the center line and front edge of your cabinet shelf and add 1 3/8 inch or 37 millimeters toward the back of your cabinet. Mark with your pencil. From that point, measure and mark the rest of the dimensions. Pre-drill the 8 holes with a 3/32 inch bit. Align the ironing board over the holes and secure using the 8 wood screws. That's all there is to it. Cycle the unit. Your installation is complete. Now let's install using the 4 machine screws with washers. Find the center line and front edge of your cabinet shelf and go back 1 3/8 inch or 37 millimeters. Mark with your pencil. From that point, measure and mark the rest of the dimensions. Use your 5/16 inch bit or 8 millimeter bit and drill all the way through the shelf. Now, align the ironing board over the 4 holes, only this time, place the washer through the machine screw and secure by going through the bottom of the shelf and up through the 4 corner holes of the unit. Now, cycle the unit. As you can see, the results are the same. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.